In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search inside the trash in Google Drive. If you've ever accidentally deleted a file or simply need to review what was removed recently, this quick walkthrough will help you confidently find what you're looking for in the trash. First, sign into Google Drive. Open your browser, head to the Drive homepage, and log in with the account that holds the files you're interested in. It's worth pausing for a second to confirm you're in the correct account, especially if you use Drive for both personal and work purposes. That simple check can save you from hunting in the wrong place. Also, remember that items moved to trash aren't permanently gone right away. They typically stay there for a limited time before being auto-deleted, so acting sooner is always better. Once you're in, look to the left-hand side of the screen and click Trash. This takes you to a dedicated space where Drive lists everything you've deleted. Think of it as a holding area rather than a permanent removal zone. You'll see file names, who owns them, where they lived, and most importantly for our purpose, when they were trashed. If you're working on a smaller screen and don't immediately see the left panel, it may be collapsed. Hover near the edge of the screen to reveal it, then select Trash. Inside Trash, the most effective way to search through your deleted items is to sort them by their trashed date. Sorting by this timeline helps you quickly narrow down your scan to the day or week when you know something was removed. Look for the sorting control in the file list area. Depending on your view, you can click the Trashed Date column header or use the Sort menu to choose Trashed Date. Sort descending if you want the most recently deleted items at the top, which is perfect when you just removed something and need it now. Sort ascending if you're digging for older deletions buried deeper in time. As you scan the list, use the file names, owners, and original locations to home in on the right item. If the name was generic, the date will be your best guide. If the name was unique, a quick visual pass after sorting by trashed date will get you there fast. Take your time and move through the list methodically. That's all there is to it. Log in, open Trash, and sort by trashed date to quickly locate the deleted files you care about. Thanks for watching, and I hope this saves you time the next time you need to find something in Google Drive's trash.